Protests erupted across Pakistan's Sindh province against the controversial plan to dig 6 canals aimed at irrigating Punjab's lands. The rallies, backed by political, religious and nationalist groups, condemned the project, warning it could severely harm Sindh's water supply and agricultural sector. Leaders argued that the canals would lead to a loss of vital water flows, devastating crops and threatening the Indus River ecosystem.
Widespread rallies were held across Pakistan's Sindh province in opposition to the controversial plan to dig 6 canals to irrigate lands in Punjab. The protests saw participation from almost all political and religious parties, nationalist groups and civil society organizations. Although the Pakistan People's Party chose to stay out of the street protests, it firmly rejected the canal project in no uncertain terms. According to reports, the largest rallies took place in Hyderabad and Larkana. During their speeches, protest leaders strongly condemned the canal project, demanding that it be scrapped as they argued it posed a grave threat to Sindh's very existence.
इसका मकसद ये है कि जो सिंध में हो रहा है, जो सिंध के पानी दरियाओं के साथ हो रहा है, जो सिंध दरिया के साथ हो रहा है, वो सिंध की ज़मीन को, सिंध की धरती को बंजर कर देगा। तो इसके खिलाफ हम प्रोटेस्ट कर रहे हैं कि ये पानी और ख़ास तौर से आप सोचें कि औरतों की ज़िंदगियों पे कितना असर होगा, बच्चों की ज़िंदगियों पे कितना असर होगा। तो हम अपने सिंध में औरतों पे जो तशद्दुद है उसके खिलाफ भी आवाज़ उठा रहे हैं।
Protesters warned that the construction of these canals would result in Sindh losing its vital water flows, further devastating its already struggling agricultural sector. They argued that the rulers had already caused significant damage to Sindh's agriculture, and if the 6 canals were constructed, the province would have a catastrophic loss of vital water flows. The protesters emphasized that any attempt to seize Sindh's water, lands, islands or minerals would not be tolerated. Chanting fierce slogans against the canal project, the protesters vowed to resist not only its implementation but also any changes to the IRSA Act, which regulates water distribution across Pakistan. They declared their commitment to safeguarding their rights to water, emphasizing that any alterations to the Act would only deepen the injustice they face. The leaders accused the government of trying to systematically deplete Sindh's water resources and ruin its agricultural sector through calculated measures.
1 करोड़ लोग डिसलोकेट होंगे। कराची शहर 2 करोड़ लोग उधर रहते हैं, उनका पानी 50-70% बंद होगा। ये हमें कबूल नहीं है। अगर आप आइन का एहतराम, इकोनॉमिक अकॉर्ड का एहतराम नहीं करते, आप तरीका पानी की सिस्टम को CCI के बजाय प्रेसिडेंशियल ऑर्डर और इंटीरियर मिनिस्टर और जनरल बैठ के फैसला करेंगे। अगर हमारे बीच में आइन नहीं है तो फिर कोई रियासत नहीं है, फिर कोई सूबा किसी आइन का पाबंद नहीं रहेगा।
Reports suggest that groundwork for 4 of the 6 canals is already underway, prompting protest leaders to condemn the project as economic murder for farmers who depend on a stable water supply. Similar rallies were held across various cities and towns in Sindh, signaling a growing wave of opposition to the project. The protests reflect a broad consensus among people from all sectors of society, with farmers, environmentalists and citizens alike expressing deep concern over the project's potential to destroy Sindh's agricultural heritage and undermine the long-term sustainability of its natural resources. The widespread protests are a clear indication that Sindh's future, both agricultural and environmental, is at risk.